two types of sexual harassment that take place in the workplace, which are quid pro quo. Quid pro quo meaning this is for that, or this for that in Latin, refers to the exchange of value between parties in a contract. In the workplace, quid pro quo harassment occurs when a manager or authorities figures offer or hints at providing something to an employee. Second, hostile work environment, which is one of where discrimination is intentional, severe, recurring, or pervasive behavior interferes with an employee's ability to perform their job, and can include sexual harassment resulting in a difficult or uncomfortable work environment. Health and safety. A healthy workplace is crucial for businesses' success and productivity. It should include ventilation, lighting, room station, hygienic workstation, and temperature control. Safety is also vital as occupational accidents and diseases cause suffering and high economic cost. Unsafe working condition can be classified as ergonomic, chemical, or biological hazard, but not all fall under these categories. Ergonomic hazard refers to the strain a job causes on the body, often due to repetitive or awkward work, poor lighting, or an inappropriate adjusted workstation, or the type of work such as repetitive lifting or repetitive motions. Chemical hazards occurs when an employee is exposed to any chemical preparation in the workplace, including cleaning products, solvents, vapors, flammable materials, carbon monoxide, gasoline, and asbestos. Biological hazards include blood, bodily fluids, bacteria, viruses, insect bites, and dropping from animals and birds, which can pose significant risk when working with people, plants, or animals. Top 11 frequently cited violation in 2015. Fall protection. This consists of unprotected sides and edges and leading edges. Hazard communication. This is about classifying harmful chemicals. Scaffolding. There must be a required resistance and maximum weight numbers. Number 4. Respiratory protection. This includes emergency procedures and respiratory filters equipment standards, lockout or tagout. This concerns controlling hazardous energies such as oil and gas. Powered industrial trucks. This is about safety requirements for fire trucks. Ladders. There are standards for how much weight a ladder can sustain. Number 8. Electrical or wiring methods. This concern about procedures for how to circuit to reduce electromagnetic interference. Number 9. Machine guarding. This concerns clarifying the guillotine, cutters, shears, power presses, and other machines require point of operation guarding. Number 10. Electrical general requirements. It is about not placing conductors or equipment in damp or wet location. Number 11. Psychosocial hazard, including job insecurity, high demands, and low autonomy, are linked to health-related behavioral risks like sedentary lifestyle, heavy alcohol consumption, increased smoking, and eating disorder. Incorrect accounting. Businesses must maintain accurate bookkeeping records, especially in publicly held companies. Small privately owned companies should also maintain accurate financial records for taxation, profit sharing, and investment. Incorrect accounting reports is considered the most unethical issue in the business world. Social media. Social media is a crucial business marketing tool and a significant part of employees, making it difficult to differentiate personal and professional situation. Posting employees' complaints on platforms like Facebook can mistakenly for disloyalty, leading to potential punishment. Whistleblowing. A whistleblower exposes illegal, unethical, or incorrect information within an organization, involving violation of company's policies, laws, or national security threats. They can report allegation internally or externally, bringing them to supervisors or third parties like media or law enforcement. The risk against whistleblowers is often vigilance. Non-disclosure and corporate espionage. A non-disclosure agreement or NDA is a legal contract between an employer and employee, stating that the agreement prohibits the employee from disclosing confidential company information. It is binding and in effect for the duration of the employee's employment and after termination. Employers benefit from NDAs as they prevent competitors from sharing confidential information, trade secrets, or strategic plans.